Welcome to Education Lifeline. This is Trishita Paul, and today we will be working on arithmetic sequence word problems. Now, if you haven't watched our previous videos on arithmetic sequences, a playlist will be linked in the description below, as well as the top right-hand corner of your screen. Please check those videos out before watching this one. So this first problem here states, you go to a movie theater that has 20 rows of seats, each row increasing by the same number of seats. There are 25 in the first row and 33 in the fifth row, and each ticket costs $15. If you decide to pay for all the people sitting in the ninth row, how much would you have to pay? So for this problem, we can simply write its explicit formula and then find the ninth term to find how many seats are going to be in the ninth row. So remember that the explicit formula is f of n is equal to f of 1 plus d times n minus 1. So if we set n to 5, we get f of 5, which we know is 33 because there's 33 seats in the fifth row. F of 1 is given to us, which is 25 plus d, and we set n is equal to 5, so n minus 1, or 5 minus 1. Now subtracting 25 from both sides, we get 8 is equal to 4d, which leaves us with d is equal to 2. So each row is increasing by 2 seats. Now to use this d, we can write our explicit formula for this problem, which is f of n is equal to 25 plus 2 n minus 1. It's not necessary to simplify this since we're going to be using this equation. So to find the number of people seating in the ninth row, we could find the ninth term. So f of 9 is equal to 25 plus 2, 9 minus 1. So that is 25 plus 2 times 8, which is 16, which is 41. So there are 41 seats in the ninth row. And if each ticket or each seat costs $15, you will have to pay $615 for all the people seating in the ninth row. Now this next problem states, a large inflatable pool is filled with 500 gallons of water, but leaks at a rate of 4 gallons per hour. After how many hours will the pool be empty? So this may seem like a regular rate of change problem, but you can also think of it through arithmetic sequences. We know that 500 gallons of water is our time when n is equal to 0, and we know that 4 gallons per minute is our common difference d. However, our explicit formula only includes values starting with f of 1. So we can tweak this explicit formula by changing f of 1 to 0, which would change f of n to f of n minus 1. And this will be our new explicit formula. Now we can simply plug in 0 for f of n minus 1, which is what we're trying to find, plus f of 0, which is 500, plus d is 4, and we're solving for n. So simplifying on this right side, we get plus 4n, or actually this is minus 4 since it's leaking. So that's going to give us 500 minus 4n plus 4. So now we get 4n is equal to 504, which leaves n equal to 126. n, so when f of n minus 1 is equal to 0, we have n is equal to 26, so f of 125 is equal to 0, which means that the pool will be empty after 125 hours. You can simply check your work by dividing 500 by 4 to get the number of hours it takes, which indeed equals 125. If this video was helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to Education Lifeline. Be sure to watch our next video on geometric sequences and check the description for more helpful resources. We include tips as well as practice problems in the description of every video. Please make sure to leave any questions in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.